what we calculated f dot dr. Okay, take down, evaluate. Evaluate the line integral f dot dr where f equals this is along the curve C. You take line integral along C where f equals x square minus y square I cap plus 3y xy j cap where C is the arc of the curve, y equals x cube from 0, 0 from 0, 0 to 2, 2. Yes. Take down. Given f equals x square minus y square I cap plus xy j cap, and dr equals, shall I write directly what is dr?
Yes, sir.
What is dr? Dx I cap plus dy j cap plus dz k cap. Okay, so find out f dot dr. Therefore, f dot dr equals x square minus y square I cap plus xy j cap dot dx I cap plus dy j cap plus dz k cap. So if you multiply the particular components, only I and j will get, there is no k cap in the first vector, therefore it gives 0. So the answer is x square minus y square dx, x square minus y square dx plus xy dy. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is f dot dr. Now, what is given? Given y is equal to x cube here. Given y equals x cube. This implies dy equals 3x square dx. Okay. So just you operate a d or differentiate. So dy by dx is equal to 3x square. The dx we are cross multiplying, or simply if you operate d left hand side as well as right hand side, d stands for differentiation only. So dy, y differentiation is dy and x cube differentiation is 3x square into dx. So substitute in the above equation, therefore f dot dr equals x square minus y square nothing but x cube square into dx plus x into y nothing but x cube into dy nothing but 3x square dx. Okay, so dx it is in both the terms though, so you can take outside common, so that become x square minus x cube whole square means x power 6 plus this what happens 3 times x square, x into x cube into x square is x power 6 that dx, or finally this gives x square plus 2x power 6. Okay, because it is 3x power 6 minus x power 6, I can subtract now, so that is 2x power 6 into dx. Yes, now integrate, and so now it is RHS involving only one variable, that is x. Therefore, what is the integration? What's the integration? So therefore, the line integral C f dot dr equals the line integral x square plus 2 times x power 6 into dx, and x where is from
0 to 2.
Yes, x is equal to 0 to 2. So simple integration. So I told no, it is a simple integration and this module. So you should be perfect with the vector concepts. Yes, what is the integration of x square? It is x cube by 3 plus 2 into x power 6 integration is x power 7 by 7. So for this you should substitute x equals 0 and x equals 2. And final answer is upper limit. You will get 2 cube x is equal to 2. 2 cube by 8. Sorry, 2 cube by 3 plus 2 into 2 power 7 divided by 7. This is upper limit. Minus lower limit is 0. Yes, what you will get? This is 8 by 3, no? 2 cube is 8. 8 by 3 plus, tell me the numerator value. What is? It is 2 power 8 actually. 2 power 8 is
256.
256. Correct. Yeah, 256. 256 divided by 7. So finally, if you take LCM, let it be in the fractional. Don't write in a decimal. Okay. So 21 is the LCM. No, both are prime numbers, 3 and 7. It is not divisible by any other number other than 1 and itself. That we called it as a prime number. So 7 3s are 21. So calculate. It gives 56. Correct. 3 7s are 7 8s are 56 plus 7 3s are 3 into 256. It is
768.
768. Okay, so therefore final answer for
824
the
by
line integral a f dot dr equals how much? 8
84.
24 by 21.
24 by 21. Yes, this is the answer. Okay, so this is a similar problem. So you may get these type of question in the exam also. And in the last question paper problem, it's the same procedure only, but they are asking the force total work done. Okay, so just I will copy the same question from the question paper. 1 minute. Yes, second problem. Yes, this is the question 2A for 6 marks. Is it clear? No question? Find the total work done in a moving particle in the force field F is equal to 3xy I cap minus 5z j cap plus 10x k cap. Along the curve x equals t square plus 1, y equals 2t square, z is equal to t cube from t is equal to 1 to t is equal to 2. 6 marks. Is it visible now? Question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, take down the question. This is last year question paper problem. Question number 2A for 6 marks. Yes, solution. Given f equals 3xy I cap minus 5z j cap plus 10x k cap, and dr equals dx I cap plus dy j cap plus dz k cap. Okay. Now you should convert. Okay, first we will calculate f dot dr. Therefore, f dot dr equals, separately we will calculate maximum. You should simplify and then we'll substitute to the integration. Okay, after we will integrate. Write down f 3xy I cap minus 5z j cap plus 10x k cap dot dx I cap plus dy j cap plus dz k cap. So now you calculate this dot product. You will get 3xy into dx plus into minus minus 5z into dy and again plus 10x into dz. Okay, so this is the dot product of f and dr. F dot dr. Yes, now what is given? It is a substitution for xyz. It is given again. Write down that is given x equals t square plus 1, y equals 2t square, and z equals t cube. Okay, so that you can substitute here wherever x, y, z is there. And now I want dx. What is dx? Yes, what is dx? 2t dt. Okay, just I am operating d, that's it. Okay, 2t dt. dy
4T dt.
4t dt and dz
3T square dt.
3t square dt. Yes. Now substitute all 6 to the above equation. What is f dot dr? Therefore, f dot dr equals 3 into x is t square plus 1 and y is 2t square, 2t square, dx is 2t dt plus, sorry, minus 5 times z is t cube dy 4t dt plus 10 times x is t square plus 1 and dz is 3t square dt. So in each term we have dt, so that dt you can take outside common and just simplify other than that term. Yes, what is the product of the first one? Can you tell? See here first. 3 2 is 6, 6 2 is 12. 12 t square into t is t cube. Yes, that t cube into t square. 12 t cube into t square is 12 t power 5. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. The same 12t cube into 1 is plus 12t cube. You should write correctly because a small mistake. So that will continue and integrating and we are substituting limit. You will get that wrong answer. Okay. So I'll repeat. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 12t cube is there outside the bracket. The 12t cube you multiply with the t square, that gives 12t power 5 plus 12t cube into 1 is 12t cube minus 5 4s are 20 t power 4, correct? 5 4s are 20
Yes,
t
sir.
power 4 plus again first you multiply 10 3s are 30 t square into t square 30 t power 4 plus 30 t square into 1, that is 30 t square. Okay, so complete this with dt. Dt is common. I will take outside. Now you write in order. I will write in ascending order. Okay, that is from lower to higher. 30 t square I will write first. 30 t square I will write first this term, and 12 t cube. 12 t cube. Just one order I am following. That's it. And here you see t power 4. There are two terms. Okay, so 30 minus 20 is plus 10 t power 4, and last one plus 12 times t power 5. So this is the final expression of f dot dr. Is it right? Your
Yes,
answer?
sir.
Okay. Now integrate, and t is given. What is the value of t? T varies from in the
1 to 2.
question 1 to 2. Okay. Yes. Yes. Now consider therefore integral of f dot dr equals integral of 30 t square plus 12 t cube plus 10 t power 4 plus 12 t power 5 into dt, and limit t equals 1 to 2. Is it right? Yes, 1 to 2. It is not 0. So both upper and lower you should simplify. Yes, that gives. We will solve slowly, no problem. Yes, one by one. Integration of 30 t square. 30 you write as it is. T square integration is t cube by 3 plus, I will take one more step. 12 write as it is. T cube integration is t power 4 by 4 plus 10 as it is. T power 4 integration is t power 5 by 5 plus 12 as it is. T power 5 integration is t power 6 by 6. Okay. Now this you have to substitute the limit t equals 1 to t equals 2. Yes. Now that is equal to, first cancel all the term you can cancel. 3 and 30 you can cancel. You will get 10t cube plus 4 3s are 12. 3 t power 4 plus 5 2s are 10. 2 t power 5 plus 6 2s are t power 6. Okay, just I am cancelling this term. 3 10s are 4 3s are 5 2s are and 6 2s are. So for this you have to substitute the limit t equals 1 to t equals 2. Yes. Upper limit 10 into 2 cube plus 3 into 2 power 4 plus 2 into 2 power 5 plus 2 into 2 power 6. This is upper limit minus lower limit. Just it is 1 only. Put t equals 1, whatever it is. 1 cube, 1 power 4, 1 power 5, 1 power 6. It is 1 only. Just 10 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2. That's it. But what is the first number? Can you tell directly?
80.
Okay, one by one, na? 80 plus
48.
16 3 is 48 plus 64,
64.
64 plus 128. Correct?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
128.
Minus, what is this? 13, 15, 17. Now tell me the final answer.
303.
Subtraction of 17. Okay, 3 not?
3.
Very good. So this is the final answer. Okay. So this is the integral of f dot dr. So just you can conclude what is the question. It is asking application. No, you should find the total work done. Okay. Therefore, the total work done of a moving particle is equal to 303. What is the unit of work?
Joule.
Yes. Write the unit. Okay. Finally, therefore the total work done. Therefore, the total work done equals 303 joule. J na complete word.
J is enough, sir.
Yes. Got it. So this is the question paper problem and this is the way of solving. Procedure is saying only if they ask evaluate f dot dr, it is like mathematical problem. If they ask to find the total work done, it is a physics problem. That's it. Application. One more question paper problem I'll take. And I'll finish today's class. 1 minute. Just a minute. No, it's not copying. I will dictate. You just take down. Find the work done by the force. Down, or I will write. Find the work done. Find the work done by. Find the work done by the force. By the force capital F equals 3x square I cap. 3x square I cap plus 2xz minus y plus 2xz minus y j cap plus z k cap plus z k cap when it moves a particle, when it moves a particle from the point t equals 0 to t equals 2 along the curve. Continue along the curve x equals t, y equals t square by 4, and z equals 3t cube by 8. 3t cube by 8. Yes, this is also question paper problem for 7 marks. Okay, it is in 2C. I'm not able to copy this as an image. Okay, let it be. Yes, take down. Given f and dx everything, I will start from f dot dr. You write it. Given f is equal to and what is dr is equal to. So like the previous problem, like this. What is f is equal to and what is dr is equal to. So and then you write what is f dot dr. Just I will write f dot dr. Okay. Three x square I plus 2xz minus yj dr is dx I cap plus dy j cap plus dz k cap. Yes. You will get 3x square dx plus 2xz minus y dy plus z dz. Okay, so up to here you finish. And same previous problem procedure is same. First you have to calculate f dot dr. It's a scalar, no ijk will come, and then what is given x, y, z in terms of t, you calculate all dx, dy, dt. Given. Is it over? Up to f dot dr? Is it over?
Yes, sir.
Given x equals t, y equals t square by 4, and z equals 3t cube by 8. Okay, so dx, t, dt, dy 2t by 4. You can cancel that 2 and 4. Dz 3t square, no? 3 3s are 9. 9t square by 8. Here I can cancel. 2 2s are, so I will get t by 2. This is, sorry, dt, 2t dt. So t into dt. Yes, t into dt by 2. And this is also into dt. Yes. Therefore, what happens f dot dr? 3 into x square is t square into dx is just dt plus 2 into x is t, z is 3t cube by 8 minus y means t square by 4 complete multiplied by dy. Dy is t by 2 dt plus z is 3t cube by 8 into dz. Dz is 9t square by 8 into dt. So complicated term will come. You have to simplify. Yes. So dt, it is there common. You can take common and step by step I will write 3t square 3t square. Yes, what is the second term? Plus, see here, 2 ones are 2 fours are cancel. Is it right? And here t by 2 I will multiply. So you will get 3t power 4, 3t power 4 by 8, first term. And minus
3
t
t
cube by 8.
sir.
Correct? Huh?
Sir, 3t power
Sir,
5 by 8, sir.
Oh, sorry. 5. Here one more t is there, no? Sorry. 3t power 5.
Sir,
3
Z is equal to 2 by 8, right, sir?
z is equal to
3 cube by 8.
3t cube by 8. Yeah, correct. Yeah, I substituted same. Here 2 and 8 cancel, no? 2 and 8 I can cancel by 4. And that after 1 by t by 2 is there outside, that I am multiplying 4 to the 8. Got it? Correct? Huh? Is there any mistake? I don't think so. Plus, here 9 3s are 27. I can't cancel, no, t power 5 by 64. So this is completely multiplied by dt. Is it right? Is there any difference?
yes, sir.
Correct now? Now I will write in
Yes,
ascending
sir.
order. Yes.
Yes.
3t square. 3t square I will write first. Minus t cube by 8 I will write first. So take your own time. Now it's just a practice now. So do it correctly, and that helps to solve more number of problems or whatever the problem in the internals or in the exam. Yes, so this I can simplify because there are two terms. I can take LCM and you just work out somewhere. 64 is the LCM, correct? For 8 and 64. 8 8s, 8 is 64, 8 3s 24. 24 t power 5 plus 27 t power 5. So that gives 40 51. 51 t power 5 by 64. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. This is multiplied by dt. This is f dot dr. Just integrate and substitute the limit. That gives the total work done. Okay. Therefore, just I'll finish because of beginning delayed. So just it is extending. Therefore, integral of f dot dr equals integral of 3t square minus t cube by 8 plus 51 by 64 t power 5 dt, and t varies from where to where?
0 to 2.
0 to 2. Okay. The t equals 0 to 2. So now just integrate and substitute the limit. 3 into t cube by 3 first term minus 1 by 8 into 8 is in the denominator, t power 4 by 4 plus 51 by 64 into t power 6 by 6. Now this is only upper limit because lower limit is 0. Just you have to substitute only upper limit. So I will cancel here, 3 cancel. One more step I will write t cube. What left? I will write t cube plus 1 by 32, 8 4s t power 4 plus what is this number? 51 by 6 into 64.
384.
384 t power 6. Correct? Huh? Now substitute the value. T equals 0 and t equals 2. Only upper limit. You will get first one is 2 cube minus 1 by 32 into 2 power 4 plus 51 by 384 2 power 6. Yes, this is the upper limit minus lower limit is 0. Can you tell the answer? If you want one more step, I will write this is 8 minus 2 power 4 is 16. 16 means this is 1 by 2. 16 2s are 32. I can cancel these two. Similarly, I can cancel this. Can you tell?
51 by 6.
51 by
6.
6. Correct? 2 power 4 is 16. 2 power 5 is 32. 64. 64 and 384. You will get 6. Is it right? Okay. And finally, take LCM. 6 is the LCM. You will get 1 6 is 8 6 is 48 minus 2 3 is and 3 into 1 is 3 plus 51. Final answer?
96 by 6.
How much?
96 by 6 equals 16.
96 by 6, that is equal to 16. So therefore, total work done F dot dr is equal to 16 joule. Conclude it. That's it. So this is about the vector integration or a vector line integration. We called it is because it is a simple integration. So this is we called as line integral.